tomatoes, carrots, and the star of the show, these 5-color pastel. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. What is what I'm gonna make? And these are just my seasoning I'll be using. This one is for the pork. Yes. And then there's those, the sake, and the mirin. Of course, my granny, I never forget. Cucumbers, and yeah, and then the pork. Let's get started quickly because I'm running behind time right now. Season my meat. I added ground pepper, black pepper, garlic, chili powder, that, garlic, and fish sauce. That's all I'm gonna use. That's all I use in this to season my meat. And I'm taking this and putting it here. So stick around. While my pasta is currently boiling right now, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and get started on my sauce. Stick around. Ta ta ta. You don't want to miss to see the fun now. It's gonna turn out so well. I just know it. And this is my first time making this pasta ever, so don't come for me. Thank you. As usual, always put aluminum foil in your air fryer if you're doing this, because this has fish sauce on it. I don't want my air fryer smelling like fish sauce, so I put the aluminum foil down and it's gonna cook this. But I don't know how many minutes, but until I'm ready to take it out. This is a cold salad recipe, so these here. Okay, try to not be like me and overcook it. Kind of sort of did, but it's not really, so this will do. And today I'm using the Italian herb vinegar. And yes, I left these out because I am also gonna add a little bit of them in here as well. Okay, let's start. So I forgot to mention, I also added a bit of honey in it, just a little bit, to make the flavor pop, pop, pop. Yeah. This is how it looks. I should have made this overnight, leave it in the fridge, but honestly, I feel like it's gonna taste better anyways. Either way, because he's going to eat it during lunchtime, so technically it get cold. I melted my honey before putting it in here, so remember that. Or if you have a honey that's already melted, it's fine too. That works. Of course, don't forget the pork. I was checking in on my pork while I was doing this, so remember that. This is how it turned out, and I'm just gonna slice it, and I'll be putting it on top of the dish. I'm just gonna go over all the ingredients that I use in my pasta. I put the seasoning. I put a garlic powder, some chili powder, black pepper, a little bit of MSG, a little bit of each of them, parsley, this white vinegar. I put 2 tops. I used the top. I just put 2 scoops of it in here, and I melted my honey, and I just drizzle it. Also, this herb, adjust it to your liking, and that's what I put in here with the carrots, cucumber, green onions, and regular onions. And I'm also gonna throw in some avocado last minute because I don't want it to get all soggy in here. Yeah, he's back home from school. Gonna show you guys what he finished the lunch. Oh no, let's see. Okay, that was a little aggressive. Well, look at that. Finished. And now let's see for the main attraction. Is an iPhone. Look at that. Finished it too. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos giving you ideas on what you can make for yourself or kids for school lunch, or your husband or wives, you know. That's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.